Welcome back. In this video, we will look at the large touchscreen panel and explore the functions and features of the Easy Fry Grill and Steam 3-in-1 from Tefal. The air fryer that's so much more than an air fryer. The first 3-in-1 healthy air and steam fryer from Tefal. This large and attractive touchscreen allows you to select programs as well as adjust the temperature from 80 to 200 degrees and adjust the time from 1 to 60 minutes if you're cooking manually. This manual mode allows you to cook many dishes found in your local supermarket that may not have dedicated air frying instructions. I'll begin with the air fry instructions. Place the evenly spaced food in the bowl and slide the bowl into the appliance. Now press on the touchscreen panel to light up the functions and select air fry. Now you can adjust the temperature with the plus and minus buttons on the digital screen. On the left, you can adjust temperature, and on the right, time. Press the start button to begin cooking. While cooking is in progress, the temperature and remaining cooking time will alternate on the screen display. Now bear in mind that some foods, like fries, will require shaking halfway through. To shake the food, pull the bowl out of the appliance by the handle and shake it. Then slide the bowl back into the appliance. When you hear the timer sound, the cooking has finished. To remove the food, slide the bowl out and use a pair of tongs to lift the food out of the bowl. Now always remember that the bowl and the grill plate will be very hot. So take care not to turn the bowl upside down, as the hot plate may fall out. For your convenience, apart from the manual mode, the appliance comes with 4 presets for air frying, and that will help you get the best results from your cooking. These are fries, nuggets, chicken, and cakes. But remember that these presets are guidelines. Obviously, shoestring fries will cook a lot quicker than thick cut fries, so adjust the settings where needed. Use the fries function to cook 1 kilogram of fries in just half an hour, or 800 grams of crispy fish fingers in under 20 minutes. For best results, lightly spray the fries and fish fingers with an oil spray. The chicken preset will allow you to roast a 1.5 kilogram chicken in an hour. For best results, season the skin well and place a quartered onion and a quartered lemon in the bird's cavity. This will add flavor and aroma and keep the chicken moist. Use the nugget function to cook 800 grams of chicken nuggets in under 20 minutes. Again, lightly spray the nuggets for best results. They'll cook well without oil, however adding a light spray will add to their crispiness. I often use the nugget preset to cook salt and pepper squid. It's golden, delicious, and ready for a squeeze of lemon in around 15 minutes. Perfect for a midweek meal in a hurry. Finally, use the 4th preset, cakes, to bake cakes and muffins using this handy accessories pack available from Tefal. And I'll take a closer look at this in my next video. But if you're a baker, get hold of some steel muffin molds. With these you can bake your muffins in batches of 6 and store the batter, so muffins will always be fresh and the lunch boxes will always be tasty. And now I want to turn our attention to the second function of this amazing appliance, the revolutionary grill function that allows for perfect indoor smokeless grilling. As I mentioned in a previous video, caramelization deepens and intensifies flavors by using heat to arrange sugars and amino acids in your proteins. We know this as the browning effect, and what it results in is richer, deeper flavors and more satisfying aromas. This effect can be partially achieved while air frying, but to get the perfect sear, you need a piping hot surface to come in contact with your proteins, be they beef, chicken, fish, or vegetables. This is achieved by preheating the grill grid at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Placing your meat on the hot grill will sear the steak and the air fryer will complete its cooking. To grill, place the grill plate in the bowl of the appliance, then select the grill mode. This will launch the preheating phase. The icon will blink during this preheating phase and it'll last around 15 minutes. When you hear the timer sound, the preheating is finished. Remove the bowl and be careful it's hot. Place the food on the ridged side of the grill plate. Listen for that sizzle, then return the bowl to the appliance. Now set the grill using the timer to cook your protein. The default time is around 4 minutes, as a 15mm steak should be ready to turn after about 4 minutes, if you like it medium. Turn the meat and cook the other side of the steak. Adjust the time for thickness and preference, but a 250 gram steak should take around 6 to 8 minutes. Sausages, a little longer, around 12 minutes. Vegetables, around 10 minutes. And you can perfectly grill fish in under 5 minutes. To cook pizza, use the air fry manual mode setting. Set the temperature to around 180 for around 15 minutes. But if you like a crispy base on your pizza, reverse the grill grid to the flat side and follow the same heating instructions. Then cook at 180 for around 12 minutes. And while the air fryer cooks your pizza, the hot grill plate will crisp your base. Lastly, I want to look at a healthier way to cook vegetables, chicken, dumplings, and fish, using the steaming function that converts the water from the tank into continuous steam that circulates and cooks your ingredients evenly, keeping them moist, healthy, and delicious for up to 85 minutes. Because cooking the steam preserves the nutrients and flavor in your food, allowing you to get the most from your ingredients. Begin by filling the water tank to the maximum level with water. Now we recommend using distilled or cooled boiled water from your kettle, as this will prevent the need for descaling. Make sure the water tank's cap is in place and locked, then return the water tank to the appliance. Place the food in the bowl and put the bowl into the appliance. Then press on and press the steam icon on the touchscreen panel. The default cooking time is 25 minutes, but you can adjust the desired cooking time. Start the steam mode by pressing Start. Alternately, you can use the vegetable preset button that is a dedicated steaming program. There are also 2 programs that combine the steam and air fryer functions. These are Fish and Roast. The Fish program will steam for 3 minutes, preserving the moisture in your fish. Then the air fry function will start, circulating hot air for 8 minutes, crisping the surface of your fish for a perfect cook. The roast function works in a similar way. The air fryer will seal and begin to brown your roast. Then the steaming function will complete the cooking, ensuring a moist and succulent piece of meat. For best results, rub the roast in mustard and coat with lots of salt and pepper. I hope this video has helped you understand Tefal's easy fry, grill and steam 3-in-1, so much more than an air fryer. In the next video, I will cover the accessories pack from Tefal and suggest a few recipes using skewers, the cake tin, the trivet and the shallow pizza pan.